Can you guess why you can smell rain before it falls? The scent, known as petrichor, has a fascinating origin. When raindrops hit the ground, they release plant oils and bacteria. These substances mix and create that earthy aroma you recognize. Even before the rain starts, these particles are released into the air. Your nose picks up on this unique scent, signaling incoming rain. Isn't it amazing how our senses work with nature? This scientific phenomenon combines biology and chemistry. Next time you smell rain coming, you'll know why. Like what you see? Subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.